Hey everybody, Road Trip Dave here, coming at you from the Laff Trakk Roller Coaster in HersheyPark. Let's ride this awesome roller coaster. The Laff Trakk Roller Coaster is located in the Midway America section of HersheyPark. It is themed after fun houses that were located in HersheyPark from the 1930s to the 1970s. When you're waiting for your turn to ride, you can check out some pretty hilarious images of yourself in the funhouse mirrors. Some of the very interesting features of this ride include the glow-in-the-dark areas and the theming of the ride that glows in the dark itself, as well as the fact that this is an indoor spinning roller coaster with amazing thrills. So let's sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride.
Jackson, she locked in? Locked in? Okay. Wow. You go back. Whoa. Oh no! Woo! Wow! Whoa!
And then out of the station to your left. Thank you for taking a spin on Laff Trakk and enjoy the rest of your day here at HersheyPark.
Yeah.
Oh no.
It'll be alright. It'll be alright. Woo.
Welcome back.
Alright, let's go.
I really hope you enjoyed that ride, my roadies. You know the drill. Don't forget to chokeslam the like button and leave a comment. Subscribe to my channel and click that bell. Follow me on social media with all the links in the description below. And if you want, you can support me on PayPal. Make sure you check out some of my other videos from many different vacation destinations. More videos are coming your way, Dave's Roadies. Until next time, laters.